Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make a beautiful hat for girls. I am going to use a yarn of this color and a hook of 4.5 mm for this project. So we have to begin with slip knot. Now we have to do chain 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 chains. Complete 30 more chains and we will meet again when 40 chains would be completed. When 40 chains are complete, we have to skip the first chain, into the next chain, insert the hook and pull through all the 3, half double crochet, yarn over, into the next stitch, half double crochet 1, into the next stitch, half double crochet 1, into the next stitch, half double crochet 1. So we have to do half double crochet into all the stitches across the row. Follow the same pattern and complete the row. We will meet again when this row would be completed. When the row of half double crochet is complete, we have to do chain 1, turn the work, yarn over, on the top of the back loop of the stitch, half double crochet 1, yarn over. This is the front loop and this is the back loop. Into the next back loop of the next stitch, half double crochet 1. So in this way we have to increase the pattern to the length we require for our project. So keep on increasing the pattern in the same way and we will meet again when we have acquired the desired length. When we completed 54 rows, we joined the yarn here. Now we are going to cut the yarn. Now we are going to sew these two ends together. So we have to take the help of needle and now we are going to join these two ends together in this way with simple stitches. So complete doing this and we will meet again when these two ends would be joined. When these two ends are joined together, we are going to work on the top of the hat. So for that we have to do simple stitches at the top of the hat. So complete doing these simple stitches on the top of the hat and we will meet again when we completed doing stitches on the top of the hat. When the top of the hat is complete, we are going to do edging for the hat. So for this we have to do chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to go back to the fourth chain, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through both the loops, chain 1, 2, 3, double crochet 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to do 24 double crochet into the ring. Complete the round and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When these 24 double crochet are complete, we have to join the stitches into the third chain of the first stitch with slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrap the yarn 2 times on the hook. Into the same stitch, insert the hook and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Treble crochet 1. Chain 1, 2, 3. Which counts as a double crochet 2, 3, 5 6 7 8. Now skip 1 2 on the top of the third stitch. Join these stitches with slip stitch. On the top of the next stitch, slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2 on the top of the next stitch, slip stitch 3. Now we have to do chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now we have to come to the slip stitch to join these stitches. Now on the top of the next stitch, slip stitch 1, on the top of the next stitch, slip stitch 2. Yarn over. Now into this chain space of 10 we have to do 20 double crochet. So complete doing 20 double crochet and we will meet again when these stitches would be completed. When these 20 stitches are complete, we have to skip 1 2 on the top of the third stitch. Join these stitches with slip stitch. Slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2, slip stitch 3. Chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Join these stitches on the top of slip stitch with slip stitch. Now we have to go back to the second slip stitch, insert the hook in, pull through, slip stitch 1, insert the hook on the top of the next stitch, slip stitch 2. Yarn over. Into this chain space of 10 we have to do 20 stitches. Follow the same pattern and complete this petal. We will meet again when this petal would be completed. When this petal is complete, we skip 3 stitches and 3 slip stitches. Now chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Join these stitches on the top of slip stitch with slip stitch. Now on the top of slip stitch 1, on the top of the next stitch, slip stitch 2. Now into this chain space of 10 we have to do 8 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we have to do 20 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now we have to go back to 10th stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Join these stitches to the 10th stitch with slip stitch. Slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2, slip stitch 3. This is first double crochet. We have to do 23 more double crochet to complete the round. So double crochet 2, 3, 4. Complete doing 20 more double crochet to complete the round, and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When these 24 double crochets are complete, we have to join the stitches on the top of the 4 stitch with slip stitch. Now we have to do chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4th into the 4th stitch. Join these stitches with slip stitch. Now we have to do slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2 and slip stitch 3. Now into this chain space we have to do 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 1, 2, 3 on the top of the 3rd stitch. Join these stitches with slip stitch. Slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2, slip stitch 3. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Join these stitches on the top of slip stitch. With slip stitch. Slip stitch 2, slip stitch 3. Now we have to do double crochet. We have to complete 10 stitches into this chain space of 10. Now we have to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the top of 10th stitch. Join this petal with slip stitch. Now we have to continue doing 10 more stitches into the chain space of 10. 1, 2, 3. Complete doing 10 stitches and we will meet again when this petal would be completed. After completing these 10 double crochet, we join the stitches after skipping 3 stitches with slip stitch, and we did 3 slip stitch and chain 10 again to complete this petal, and we did 10 chains, 8 double crochet here. Now we have to do chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Join these stitches into the 10th stitch with slip stitch. Slip stitch 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to do 23 double crochet into the ring. So keep on increasing the pattern in the same way to the length you require for the project. When we completed this beautiful edging for the hat, we are going to join these two ends together. So after completing 10 double crochet, we have to join these stitches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After skipping 10th stitch of the first flower, insert the hook and pull through all the 3. Now we have to complete 10 more double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete the petal and we will meet again when this petal would be completed. When this petal is complete, we began the next petal, and now we have to join this petal as well to the second petal. So insert the hook in, pull through all the 2. Now we have to complete this petal by doing 10 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to skip 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3 on the top of third stitch. Join these stitches with slip stitch. Yarn over into this chain space. We have to complete this petal, so we have to do 12 double crochet because these are 8 double crochet. So 1, so this is the first one, second, third double crochet, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th double crochet. Join these stitches on the top of the next stitch with slip stitch. Now again we have to do 12 double crochet. So keep on doing 12 double crochet to complete each petal of the flower, and we will meet again when this edging would be completed. When this edging is complete, we have to sew this edging on the top of the hat. So for this we have to take the help of needle and thread, and now we have to sew this edging on the top of the hat with simple stitches. So complete sewing this edging on the top of the hat, and we will meet again when this hat would be completed. This hat is going to look like this when we have completed sewing this edging on the top of the hat. This pattern is easy, grows fast and looks beautiful, so this can be a very good gifting option too. Thank you so much.